Here we discuss five question among 50, which is related to the math statistics for machine learning, data science. Okay, I did 50 question, which have a higher probability to ask in a interview. Okay, we are here. We discuss about only five question among them. Okay, what is vector in mathematics? Vector in mathematics, the quantity which have a magnitude as well as a direction is a vector. Okay, or such as your distance, displacement, velocity. What is the difference between the distance and displacement? This also help me out to explain the difference between the vector and a scalar. The distance has only magnitude. What is the means? What do you mean by the magnitude? If the person cover a distance of a 5 kilometer, here 5 is magnitude, and in which direction? This is the direction. If we combine the magnitude and direction, then vector. Uh, it is called vector. So displacement is a vector because it has a magnitude and a direction. Okay, velocity is a vector. What is the difference between speed and velocity? Speed has only magnitude, and velocity has magnitude as well as direction. Okay, so speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. How a vector different from scalar? I explained it. A vector is different from scalar in that it has a direction, while a scalar has only magnitude. Okay. What is the difference operation that can be performed with the vector? We can perform many operation with the vector, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, dot product, cross products, much more things. If you want to see example of that, suppose suppose um, a is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7, b is equal to 7 comma 4 comma 3. Then we can add, this is the vector, the a and b both are a vector. We can we can add this as 5 plus 6 comma 6 plus 4 comma 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3 as a 1 unit, as a second unit, as a third unit. This is the result of the vector addition. If you want to do subtraction, the sign name change. Okay. What if you want to do dot product? Dot product of this is a into b is equal to 5 into 6 is 1 unit, 6 into 4 is another unit, 7 7 into 3 is another unit. This is the three dot product of this. This is the dot product of this. Okay. Okay. What is the cross product? Cross product is 6 into 3 minus 7 into 4 comma 5 into 7 into 6 minus 5 into 3 and so on and so on. This is the dot product. Okay. What is the scalar product? As we saw, as we look, question number 3. What is the yeah, hang on. Scalar multiplication. What is scalar multiplication? Suppose if you have a k as scalar, then um, 5 into k plus 6 into k plus 7 into k. This is the scalar multiplication. Okay. I think you understand it. How to do. Question number 4. How can vector be multiplied by a scalar? As we do in third question. Vector can be multiplied by scalar by multiplying each component of the vector, each and every component of the vector by the scalar, scaling vector magnitude. The operation is useful for changing size of the vector without changing in direction. How it is useful? To changing the size of the vector without changing in direction. You can change the magnitude of the vector without changing in direction by the multiplication of scalar. Okay. Let me further explain you. If you cover a distance 15 kilometer in a direction east, if you multiply 15 kilometer in on Monday, 20 kilometer, Tuesday, 30 kilometer, Wednesday. If you want to multiply all this by 3 and don't want to change the direction, then multiply each and every elements of the vectors without changing its direction. This is the scalar multiplication of vector. What is magnitude in a vector? Magnitude in a vector is calculating using the Pythagoras theorem. If the magnitude of the vector is, if there is 3.5, 6 and 7, what is the magnitude of this? The magnitude of this is magnitude of this is 25 plus 36 plus 49. Add this and find square root and the square root of this. Okay. Here I explain 5 questions. Thank you for watching my video.